I'm Dr. Ramp here at Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn. Today I want to talk a little bit about chiropractic care while you're pregnant. We do offer a variety of styles of adjusting, so whatever you're comfortable with while you're pregnant. We also have a couple of items to help make your visit more comfortable. So we have some pregnancy pillows. You can see here, this is the smaller one for earlier in the pregnancy. Has a little space here for your belly bump. We also have a larger one here for late stage pregnancy. You can see the hole's a little bigger here. It does make it so you can lay face down comfortably. We do offer some gentler techniques that tend to be more comfortable for women as they later in pregnancy. We can also use these pillows for massage. Both of our therapists are trained in prenatal massage. So if you're having some discomfort in your pregnancy, a lot of times low back pain, SI pain, that kind of thing can make it very uncomfortable. We can help you get through it. I have some patients who will come in even every week as they get into the last trimester, and we'll just see them weekly up until the point of delivery. It can make your delivery a little bit smoother and just make you more comfortable throughout the process. If you have any questions about pregnancy care, let us know here at Revive. We'd be happy to help take care of you.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain, or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.